2002 Chrysler Sebring, one owner, 21,000 original miles. Perfect cash car. 21,000 original miles in immaculate condition. Not a door dang scratch, rock chip on this thing. Senior owned and driven. 21,000 miles. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Texas vehicle, no rust. Like new. You can hear it running. Power seats, cloth interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, cruise control, original floor mats. $21,000 miles. Everything works. Sorry about the sun glare. Literally like a brand new car inside. No cracked dash. (2002) Chrysler Sebring LXI, one owner, 21,000 original miles in absolutely wonderful condition.